Hey guys, let's see how we can set up an attribute and variant for a product. For that, I'm moving on to the sales module first, and we need to enable one configure option. Moving on to the configuration under the settings. There we have the variants under the product catalog, which is used to sell variants of a product using attributes such as size, colors, and etc. So once you enable this option, please do hit the save button before moving on to anywhere. And now here we have the internal link of the attribute. Simply click on that option. Then you will get the dashboard of the attribute and variants or the values that we have already created inside our DB. And here I'm going to create a new attribute which is called material. Okay, so that we can simply use that under any kind of example option. I just create an attribute name as material. There we have the display type in variant creation, like how it should be displayed once you guys are selling and purchasing this. And there we have the variant creation, like how it should be creating instantly, dynamically, or never. And there we have the attribute values to set up on. You can simply click on the add a line option and you can provide which are the material that you should provide under the value set. So let me provide it as wood first of all. Then I just want to provide that as a metal. So once we are done with that, I can save this manually. And moving to the product side, I want to select one of the example product, which is a cabinet, large cabinet. So there we have the large cabinet. And I'm moving on to the attribute and variants. There we can't even find any kind of attribute. Simply click on that option. Choose the attribute that we have created, which is material. There we have. And once you're there, you can add the options or the values that we have set up under that attribute, which is wood and metal. So this large cabinet have two kind of attribute and values, which is a large cabinet with wood material, and there we have a large cabinet with metal material. Once we are done with that, you can save this manually. And now you are ready to use this under your sales module and purchase module. So that's all about this video. Bye.